come again today. Una get Bella O. I don't come again today with another bonge story. And my today's story so sweet well. But make a day special like this, because when I want now mass and at this time man, I'm gonna sit back when I enjoy the story. At the end of the story, when I get 1 or 2 advice, I still shipping that kind of thing. So my story today, this man say in a married man, say don't born picky, they get 1 picky. Say their child now just 2 years old. Say so. You can't notice say the wife got they do strange things. Say his wife and wife in love way not what they do for a wife. He care for the wife. They give her anything she wants. In the measure say she not they lack anything. Say so the rest notice that the wife they make strange call. They always pressing phone. So because of customer and normal thing a woman na time she just maybe chat with friends and one of those things. Say no they disturb the woman. No you know that the people is not tell the man what they do. Who be this? No, they give her free time. Say I trust her. This one so it's not a person. I call it and no say man. You know what they happen. Say no. This is your wife. Come so place. Take up say until they go zoom. Say person just call her for phone say come so place. Like come say like go say behold party. They see wife with another guy. They do romance. They dance. They do all sort of nonsense for public. Say cause say my wife. I go walk out meet the wife. Go say hello. What are you doing here? You might say waiting. You might say waiting that. Waiting. So you walk even beat the guy self when the way the wife they with. Say if you see where the woman for run in down. Woman run in down for the sake of that other guy. Say cause so you don't reach this kind of thing. You know the feel this kind of thing to me. She not cut out. She not cut out. So I enter motor they go as much as they follow her. They tell me how you come. They go your own. I will come as. You go talk. Now I go as so. So they wait for the woman. Start so you wait with and night the woman take home. But the man call like what you they do so? Why you do they cry for the man? Why they do this thing? They do? I love you. You know for instance, look at her picking. Why you then man say hey I beg. I beg not disturb me. I the man say okay, sister like that. You have to choose between me and that man who you go choose. If you choose to stay with me and go for a child and everything, I will accept you. Then you have to cut off that relationship. You know matter saying they go fit cut off the relationship. Now so I go follow the guy. I say do matter pack. So the man the way cry beg man not here. The man go follow that guy. So look at the woman say to for her picking. Look this baby. So the matter say the man even answer. And so the mother will say his life turn upside down. The world turn upside down. Say cause they frustrated. Say they shattered. Say it's not be God for commit suicide and cause the picking when you say cause they look say if I commit suicide now, we go take off this picking. And so cause they manage himself. Say na businessman, they do well. Say cause they manage himself. See now people got to say you cannot remain like this. So 1 year, so I tell you 1 year time, the woman not even they think of come because they come say no remain like this. So they go carry one girl come from the village, come from maybe get they take care of the picking, maybe get they with her. So those way they carry the girl come say not like the girl, not get feelings of the girl, because they not like the girl. Like people say if you like feelings, not like feelings, so you go there with this girl. Because this picking so you need woman who go say take care of her too. So it's not so now you the girl called there. So after another 1 year, that is 2 years now. Now this is wife, the ex-wife, or then I pray to another corner, go come, call they beg, may forgive her, call they beg her. You understand? So as they beg her, like I say, I want to forgive you pass. Say they beg her, may forgive her. May say you still want that back. Say love and a mistake, no it's make her. Still go there with that guy. So they don't realize his mistake now. The guy don't go. Then I don't come back. You know, go repeat the thing again. Say so the matter. Say still love your wife. Say but no know what he will do. So actually, the Bible say God hates divorce. So no know what he say he lost confused. Say the other girl they will say they partake of the king. All this why I wanted to see that one never bought for. I never paid that one down. Never do anything for that one. So because they think say what he go do. Now he go do the matter. What to do? But that to leave her. Or whether not to pursue her, say just they confused. Say because if you return that girl go back now, I go be. Say and the wife that they beg, say something for the sake of the pikin. Say so it confuse her rest, move advice her. And the matter be that to my people, my head the story, my get advice, no not tell her. So my dear, Oga, I see your story. Your wife not try you. What she do? She F big time. I understand say God say he hates divorce, but separation is allowed. I want to set him. Again, the woman will come for village where they help you the babysit your baby since you come. How you want to you no just call person tell me she go back. You no go think. You no dey think of wetin that woman how she go feel. Your wife don't think of the pikin before you take comot for the marriage. I remember say you tell her say what about the pikin, she say you not giving them, she go. Then na you call dey think am. So think people they beg you. Well, my oga, this marriage matter I no fit get with I want to put to. I only let you know say that same woman will leave you over another man. You will still see another man tomorrow, will still leave you. But if you choose to say you want to forgive am, now you want the day. Go to God in prayers. May God direct you. What I get to tell you. The advice I get for you be that too. So my people, the story be that. Till next time again. If I get advice from this man, if you still put am, come and get another story today. Bye bye.